I already made a couple of videos showing how to work the waistcoat stitch, also known as the knit stitch, correctly, both in the round and in the row. However, in those videos I used light color yarn and some people commented that it was very difficult to see the stitches, so I'm gonna make a quick video again showing you how to work this stitch correctly. When worked correctly, this stitch will literally look as if the fabric was knitted, not crocheted. And many crocheters unfortunately make this stitch wrong and they get stitches that are either tilted to the side or jumping all over the fabric. When made correctly, all the stitches are gonna be neatly aligned. Okay, so first I'm going to explain how to work this stitch in the round. The idea of the stitch is that the hook is inserted not under the two loops on the top, right here, and these two loops often referred as the V, but the hook is inserted directly into the stitch right here. And most crocheters insert the hook correctly, but they don't pay attention where the hook comes out on the back side. So let's take a look at what single crochets look like on the back. Let's take a look at this single crochet right here. It has a leg, it has another leg, and it has a hat. And then over here there are those two loops on the top. So the back side of single crochet kind of looks like the Greek letter pi. Leg, leg, and a hat. So when we make this stitch, we insert the hook on the front, and on the back, the hook comes out in between those two legs and under the hat. However, if we make our stitches that way, eventually they're gonna be tilted, as shown in this sample. To avoid that problem and have the stitches neatly aligned, when you insert the hook on the front, you must pay attention to where it comes out on the back. You need to have it come out before those two legs or to the left of those two legs, not in between them, but to the side of them, to the front, and under the hat and under those two loops on the top. And if you crochet this way, you will get stitches that are very neatly aligned and the fabric literally looks as if it was knitted, not crocheted. So just for comparison, you can see how the stitches are tilted on this sample and the stitches are straight on this one. Now when crocheting the waistcoat stitch in the row, you need to insert the hook not in between two legs and under the hat over here, the way all the tutorials on YouTube teach you, but after those two legs and under the hat and under the two loops on the top. So that's how you do it. And that way you will get the stitches neatly aligned, one on top of the other.